Need to sign one.
Yeah, I think that's.
Hi, everybody. Adam Bricker here, and today I'm with Dr. Frank Tarquini from the Premier Spine Center. And if you want to play better pickleball, feel better while you're playing, and play more often, then definitely want to attend Frank's lecture on April 4th at the Boca Boynton Chamber of Commerce. Dr. Frank, welcome, and tell everybody all about it.
Thanks, Adam. Hi, I'm Dr. Frank Tarquini at Premier Spine Center in Boynton Beach. Yes, April 4th, 3:30, Boca Chamber. Just going to discuss a lot about the peak performance of pickleball players, injury prevention, pre and post warm-up, which is so crucial to preventing injuries. And if you have injuries and sustained injuries, ways to treat them. So yes, everything pickleball, how to play longer, feel better, recovery. Yeah, so we're going to definitely cover all those topics April 4th, 3:30.
I want everybody to know this is a complimentary presentation by Dr. Frank Tarquini, but registration is limited. There's only a certain amount of chairs in the room. Once it fills up, it's done. We're going to have you register on premierspinecenterfl.com. I'll put the link down below. Frank, anything else somebody should know about attending this event on April 4th?
No, you can go to premierspinecenterfl.com. The phone number is 561-678-0007. Call the office. Either way, it should be fun and entertaining, and maybe learn a few things. So can't wait to see you.